Hey folks, welcome to my channel, Listen to Yourself, where we're going to talk about all things intuition. We're going to learn how to recognize our signs and signals. What's our right next step? And how we get confused and we blocked our intuition. And one way is the digital distraction world that we live in. Hi, I'm Cindy Gunraj, a coach, author of Listen to Yourself, and I help young professionals to reclaim their inner voice. If you have been feeling burnt out, overwhelmed by your screen, and disconnected to what really matters, this channel is for you. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you made a decision that felt right? Not just looked right on Instagram or LinkedIn or to gain someone's approval. I'm talking about something that felt right in your gut. If you're constantly checking your phone, scrolling instead of sleeping, and saying yes when your gut is really telling you no, you may be losing touch with your intuition. In this channel, I'm going to guide you back to your intuition. We'll talk each week about things like how to break free from digital burnout, how to set real boundaries without feeling guilty, and how to trust the one voice that really matters, your own. Everything I come Everything I share comes from my personal journey and my professional journey as a coach, a speaker, and from my book, Listen to Yourself. This book was really written for folks who have felt unseen, unheard, and unsure of what's their right next step in this really fast-paced world. If this stuff speaks to you, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and comment below. What's one area in your life that you wish you had listened to yourself more? This is your space to breathe, reset, and come home to your intuition. Let's walk on this journey together.